let us see second case of sign of the quadratic expression. Let alpha beta be the real roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and alpha is less than beta. Then first one, x belongs to R, alpha less than x less than beta, that implies ax square plus bx plus c and a have opposite sign. So this is the required proof. So here what is given? Alpha beta are roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here ax square plus bx plus c can be written as a into x minus alpha into x minus beta, already we know. And given, what is given? X belongs to R and alpha less than x less than beta. First of all, we take alpha less than x, alpha less than x. X bring into left side, we get alpha minus x less than 0. If you exchange these terms, that means x minus alpha less than becomes greater than is equal to 0. And similarly, if you take x less than beta, beta bring into left side, so x minus beta is less than 0. Now multiply these two, x minus alpha into x minus beta. What happens? X minus alpha is positive, x minus beta is negative. Positive into negative, so that it is less than 0. Here x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than 0 means, already we can write this as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to a into x minus alpha into x minus beta, and this can be written as ax square plus bx plus c by a, bring into denominator, that is equal to x minus alpha x minus beta. So already x minus alpha x minus beta is negative, so that this expression also negative, that means less than 0. When numerator is positive, denominator is negative, the total expression is negative. And also when the numerator is negative, denominator is positive, then total expression is negative. So we can say that numerator and denominator having opposite side. So final conclusion is ax square plus bx plus c and a, and this is numerator, this is denominator, have opposite side. Let us see example 2 based on sign of the expression. Given problem is, for what values of x the expression 4x minus 5x square plus 2 is positive, and this is the problem, 4x minus 5x square plus 2 is positive. Now let us see given expression 4x minus 5x square plus 2 positive means greater than 0. That implies if you multiply with negative on both sides, we get negative into negative positive, that is 5x square minus 4x, this plus becomes minus 2, greater than symbol changed into less than 0. So we get 5x square minus 4x minus 2 less than 0. That means quadratic expression is negative. Now let us find roots of the quadratic expression, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now comparing given expression with ax square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 2. Substitute a, b, c values in this formula, we get minus b. Minus b means minus of b value minus 4 plus or minus under root b square, that is minus 4 square minus 4a, what is a? 5, c, what is c? Minus 2 by 2a, that is 2 into a value 5, that is equal to minus into minus 4 plus 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 square means 16 minus 4 into 5 into minus 2 is plus 40 by 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 4 plus or minus under root 16 plus 40 56 by 10, and this can be written as 4 plus or minus under root 56 means 4 into 14 by 10, that is equal to 4 plus or minus root 4 can be written as 2 root 14 by 10, taking 2 common, that is 2 of 2 plus or minus root 14 by 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, that is equal to 2 plus or minus root 14 by 5. Here two roots, that is alpha is equal to 2 minus root 14 by 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 14 by 5. Already we discussed previous theorem. If the given expression is less than 0, that is negative, the condition is alpha less than x less than beta. Here alpha is 2 minus root 14 by 5 less than x less than beta. What is beta? 2 plus root 14 by 5. That means x is lies between 2 minus root 14 by 5 and 2 plus root 14 by 5.